Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. And let's just take a look at what's going on here, right? So this is the 10-minute chart. We're going to talk about the 10-minute chart today, guys, because I have a whole lot to talk about with you guys, right? And that's a lot of sub waves. So first of all, guys, I took my Fibonacci from this bottom here, right? This crazy dump, as you guys remember, and then all the way to the top. And what can we see is basically we went into the 0.65 here at 6334, and then it pumped back up. Okay, that's very technical, but anyways, guys, let's get into this. So what I think happened is we had a B for the C, right? And obviously the C has 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then from there I needed to count it like very carefully because I want to see where the bottom's going to be, right? So if we look here, right, basically we have a 1 2 for a 3, and within this 1, by the way, guys, just to show you that I did do it right here, is a 1 2 3 4 and then 5. So within this 1 we obviously have 5 waves, right? And here you have an A, B, C, and then you have a 1 2 3 4 5 again. So this is how we do it, right? So you got your 1, you got your 2, you got your 3, then you got your 4, and ending with the 5 here. What you get then is an A, B, C, or maybe it's an A, B, C, D, E. I'm not sure, but I do think it's an A, B, C because this is a higher point, right? So A, B, C. Then we get into the 2 here, which is another. Oh, I just want to only move that one a little bit because it's a little bit off. There we go. It's another 1 2 3 4 for your 5 down. Then what I think happened there is another A, B, and C, right? And then for your 2, well, once again, guys, right? This one was very hard to count because I mean, is your 1 going to be here or is it going to be here, right? But you have to be considering that your 1 needs to have 5 waves as well. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so your 1 is here, then you have your 2 here. Then you got your 3, you got your 4, you got your 5 into the 3 of that subwave, right? And then you got your A, B for your C going up for the 4. And then right now we have to look at 1. So once again, you got your 1 2 3 4 5. This is very hard to count within, but you have to go like on very small time frames. I'm not going to do that right now, but there's 5 waves in there. Then you got your 2, then a big 3, 4, and then 5. That's the only way I can count it, guys. Okay, so what we have completed then is our blue wave is completed, right? So guys, our blue wave is completed. This is a 1 2 3 4 for the 5 down is completed. Our green wave is here complete as well, 1 2 3 4 5, but our yellow one is still missing, right? It's still missing, guys. I cannot make it any prettier than it is, and that's why I have my yellow wave ending here at 6 2, and that is based on, if we take a, oh, I can remove that for now because we're just going to do this again. So if we take it from the top here, right? So this is based on this top here. Then we go to the bottom, which is based on this bottom here, right? So around here. And then we go back to this top, this 2 here, right? So let's go back to the 2 around here. So what you can see is for your 3 hit a 2 here, and almost 2.272, right? So that is what you see with your 3 here. Well, for your 4, it would go up a little bit. Most likely, I purely put this 4 here based on this subwave 4 of this green wave in order to find the 4, right? For this one. It could, however, also get up here, right? That would still technically be correct as well because it wouldn't get higher than this one, right? So it could still get up here as well. But to be conservative, I have it up here. And then what we need to see is the 5th wave to go down. right? And that one I have at around 2.618. So that is the way I have it right now, guys. Okay, this is one scenario, right? One scenario. Another scenario is basically that this is not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that I need to hide this one, and then we're gonna take out the ABC tool. That this is not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this is a B, C coming down with the 5, right? Then we are done. So there's two things that can be going on here, guys. Obviously I need to make this bigger. Actually, this is fine, right? I just need to make this red. So, oh no, actually this was correct, right? So orange. But yeah, guys, this could be done, because as you can see, if I have it like this, and I don't want waves, if I have it like this, then this AB for this C, so ending with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This wick is just a little anomaly that just wanted to go into this golden pocket here, right? The 61865, but this could very well be done, right? And that is purely based on the Elliott waves here, guys. Now we're just gonna quickly look at what's going on our oscillators. So let's take a look here, right? See what's going on here. Well, higher lows as well, which is decent to see. If we go on bigger time frames, however, so it looks to me to go a little bullish here, right? So do I expect another wave down? Well, that's up to you. You could start laddering now, right? That's fine. Just don't ladder too big, because we can definitely fall still to 6.2, maybe even a little lower, right? So just keep that in mind, guys. All right, this is it's just trying to count the waves, but it's very hard to be perfect, right? So it's just the way it is, right? So this is just an update for you guys on the waves, okay? And that's what I'll leave it with. Also, guys, did you know I have a Patreon page now? So if you want, you can become a patron, and you will get access to exclusive Patreon videos. You will get, as the Silver Pie, you will get some chart analysis from me, and as the Golden Pie, you can get a one-on-one hour call with me as well. Also, guys, join me on Telegram. Join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So join up with that as well. Let's see what's going on in here. What else did we have here? We have some charts here. Let's take a look at the chart from Dino. So A, B, C. He also has a very detailed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 still down to 61. See, this is another case that could be happening. I do like this chart as well. So yeah, guys, just keep it all in mind. So if you want to start laddering in this 6, 6.2, 6.3, something like that area, you know, it's not bad. But just ladder in slowly, okay? Definitely don't. I mean, if you can, it's very hard right now, okay, guys? But yeah, this count looks to me, but you need to start counting the subways between it as well, Dino. Then I think you will find out that there might be well, actually you don't, because you basically have the same as me, except for you think this 4 is going to be super high, which it could, right? But then the 5th wave, you have it massive compared to the rest. This one's a little too massive, right? But other than that, great chart, right? So yeah, guys, join up with that. Also join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find the ICO, I'll tell you guys to whitelist for it, so you are ready for the sale. And what I do look for in an ICO is infrastructure projects such as blockchains and protocols. Needs to have a low token metric, so low market cap, so it's easy to flip, so we can make some money. And of course it needs to have a great team. But at the moment, don't expect any ICOs from me, guys, because both Ethereum and Neo are low priced, which means it's very hard for your ICO to do well, right? It's just the way it is. That's what you get in a bear market, right? And also, guys, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and also follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.